Hello, friends. Welcome back to the front porch. Take a seat. Today, let's talk about something very important: self-care. Taking care of ourselves, no matter the season we're in, is paramount. There are seasons that may be more challenging than others. Seasons when we're tired, overwhelmed, grieving, waiting, or simply trying to make it through the day. But let me encourage you. Take care of yourself, friends, because it matters. Our physical health responds to how well we care for ourselves, the hygiene we maintain, the foods we choose, the water we drink or don't, the rest we allow ourselves to have, and even the way we speak to ourselves. And don't neglect the simple things. Take care of your hair. Take care of your teeth. Take care of your feet. These are areas we sometimes overlook until there's a problem. Wash and condition your hair. Keep your scalp healthy. Brush and floss your teeth. And keep up with your dental care. Pay attention to your feet. Keep them clean, moisturized, and cared for. Because when you consistently take care of these areas, they help take care of you. Healthy teeth allows you to nourish your body. Healthy feet help carry you where you need to go. Caring for your hair and body can affect how you feel when you look in the mirror. These may seem like little, small things, but small acts of care add up. And self-care also includes the environment you live in. So, take care of your home. Take care of your kitchen, your bathroom, your laundry, and especially your private space, your bedroom. You don't need an expensive home or beautiful furniture to create an environment that feels good to come home to. Clean what you have. Clean what you can. Put things back in their place. I always say, a place for everything and everything in its place. Wash your sheets. Open the blinds. Let some light in. Make your bed. Light a candle if you enjoy them. Create a little corner where you can sit, read, pray, journal, or simply be still. Make your environment comfortable and inviting for you. Sometimes when we're going through difficult seasons, our environment begins to reflect what's happening inside of us. Things pile up, laundry sits, dishes remain in the sink. Our bedroom becomes cluttered because emotionally, we're tired. But listen, don't condemn yourself for it. Just begin somewhere. Wash the dishes. Do one load of laundry. Clean the bathroom. And yes, change your sheets. And clear off one surface. You don't have to do everything today. Sometimes one small act of care can begin to shift the atmosphere around you and remind you that you are worth caring for. And then, friends, take care of your mind. Read. Do puzzles. Go for walks. Sit outside and enjoy the fresh air. Listen to something that encourages you. Find things that allow your mind to rest instead of constantly being consumed with what's going wrong. And friends, listen, watch how you speak to yourself. Self-care is also saying, I'm learning, instead of, I'm stupid. I'm having a difficult day, instead of, my life is terrible. Say, I need some rest, instead of, I'm lazy. Be gentle with yourself. And if possible, find a community of like-minded individuals. Please don't isolate yourself. We were not created to be islands. We were created for community. But sometimes, before we can comfortably engage with others, we have to learn how to engage with ourselves. So here's some homework. Learn what you enjoy. Learn what brings you peace. Learn how to sit quietly without feeling like you always have to be doing something. Learn how to enjoy your own company. Learn how to speak kindly to yourself. And then eventually find your community. Self-care doesn't always look like vacations, spa days, shopping trips, or expensive things. Sometimes self-care is simply deciding, I matter enough to take care of me today. So I want you to eat the meal, drink the water, take the walk, wash your face, comb your hair, brush your teeth, take care of your feet, make your bed, clean your space, read the book, make the appointment, rest when you need to, and reach out when you've been alone too long. Take care of yourself is not selfish. It's stewardship. You've been given one body, one mind, one life. And even the space you occupy, to steward, you have one. And you don't have to wait until everything in your life is going well before you begin to take care of yourself. Start today. Take care of yourself while you're waiting. Take care of yourself while you're healing. Take care of yourself while you're rebuilding. Take care of yourself while you're becoming. Whatever season you're in, take care of you, because you matter too. Until next time, sit, listen, heal. This is Lisa. Join me on the next Take a Seat, where healing is a lifestyle. God bless you.